So hi, uh, today we are going to start a new series of videos about Python. So first of all, we will know what is programming language. So programming language is nothing but a set of commands, instructions and other syntaxes used to create software programs. We create any software, we use the programming language to write the code of that software. Any software like Facebook, WhatsApp, PUBG game, all these are written in a for any particular language and or the multiple language we use to write some softwares. Languages that programmer used to write code are called high level languages. This is not like a Hindi English, that is another language. Hindi is another language, English is other language, that is a human language, but we use some languages to write the code, that is high level language. So Python is also a high level programming language. If we talk about the use of Python, so Python is highly used in web development, framework like Django, Flask, software development, mathematics and system scripting. So now we are at districtbits.com. So here what is Python? So Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. There are two types of semantics like dynamic and static. So it's high-level built-in data structure. So due to its dynamic semantic, it is very attractive for rapid application development. And what is rapid application development? So guys, rapid application development is like a very high cost applications, like big project, you can say in the term of project. So if we talk about why it is used for, so as I discussed, web development, software development, mathematics and system scripting. So what is important in Python? So Python was designed for readability and has some similarity to the English language with fluence from mathematics. So if we take an example, now we will go through with an example. Here I have IDLE in my laptop. You can check for IDLE, just write down IDLE and you will get this type of IDLE in your laptop. If it is not available, I will provide a link, just download it from IDLE website. So we are going to discuss how the Python is similar to English. So this is the example in IDLE. We use IDLE for this example. So here we have a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. So if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6, so if a is greater than 2, we are going to write a program. A very simple program is to illustrate that the Python is simple English. Not simple English, but it is very similar to English. Here if a is greater than 2 means here a is greater than 2, so it should print a is also greater than 2. So it should print a message that a is also greater than 2. So let's check what's happened. So it will provide us a message that a is also greater than 2. Now if b is greater than 3, then what should it print? Print b is also greater than a. Okay, now a is also greater than 2 and b is also greater than a. See the code and the output both. We have this code and this output. If a is greater than 2, which is a right statement, so it will print this. If this condition satisfy, then it will print this. This is the condition, this is the message. This is the condition and this is the message. So it is a simple English. Every single line of a code of Python is exact all English language and combination with mathematics and some logic. That's it. So that's it all about the introduction part of Python. In next video we will go through with the Python environment, syntaxes and other Python examples.